welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Partners in Cream update for you. This was created by Steph and Delynn. They are going to be listed down below so you can go check out their channels, though you probably are already watching both of their channels because they're awesome, and this project has been around 3-4 years, something like that. There might be a playlist down there as well. There's all the the rules and dates and that kind of stuff down there as well. This started on January 10th and will go until December 10th. So basically we just get a month off before it comes back next year, I'm pretty sure. I don't think they've stated that yet because it's still early in the year, but this was one that just keeps coming back year after year because it's so popular. People love this and I love it. I love it. And it's all about your non-powdered makeup products. So anything that has a higher moisture content, so like your creams, your gels, mousses, that kind of stuff that is going to go bad faster. That is what this project is about, and I'm loving it. It is such a great project. It has gotten me to really work on my non-powder stuff, and is actually sadly has encouraged me to buy more, but I have found a new appreciation for my cream and gel products that I didn't have before. So, I mean, there's good and bad. This project keeps me using it, but now I really like the stuff. All right, so I want to say it's like 3 to 6 products is what was recommended, but don't quote me on that. Again, it'll be listed down below. I'm keeping it a nice 5 because it's what works for me. It's easy and it's low stress, so I'm keeping things at 5. I have 2 rollouts this time. I'm very happy about that. So I will be rolling in 2 more products. My rollouts. This one has been in since the beginning. It has taken a very long time to get to this point, but I knew it was going to be slow going. It was kind of in for the long haul. This was a usage product. It is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I actually do really like this one. I may try to paint it to completion at a later date, but right now, yeah, I got a lot of good use out of it this year, and I'm very happy about that. I had originally put the cap on it, and I don't remember if I did it like this, where I had it on and then did it under, or if I measured this one like this. I don't think I did like that, but so I had a blue line that I did in nail polish on here, and I just wanted to get to the point where I used it enough that I sharpened that off. And I did actually do that, I want to say like 2-ish weeks ago, and I continued to use it anyway. So it is a little stubbier now. It's not a nice fresh point, but I figured I might as well just use it since it's out until I did this update and put it away. I enjoy it. I may work on this to completion next year. I'm not sure, but I enjoy it. I do. I might miss it a little bit, in which case, if I do miss it, I might try to roll it in for usage into another project, but for right now, it's going to go away, and I'm going to work on something else. The other one is the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation, and mine is in the color 035 Natural Beige. It's not too dark, but it is way, way, way too warm for my skin tone. Yeah, I feel like an Oompa Loompa when I wear it, so I have to mix it with something else to try to cool it down a little bit. I don't mind the formula at all. I just got the wrong color. And I got a slightly lighter version of this because when you order online, you don't know what you're getting. And it is just ever so slightly lighter, but just as warm. And yeah, I struggle with it. I almost got the LA Girl blue foundation mixer from Ulta. I almost ordered it the other day to help with some foundations like this, but my local Ulta did not have it in stock, so I would either have to drive to another county to get it, or I would have to order enough products to not have to pay for shipping. It was a big ordeal, so I felt like that was the universe saying, don't buy it. I don't know what I'm going to do. I might just hang on to this for a little bit, maybe wait to see if my Ulta gets that back in stock, because they had it for like under $7, and every other place I have looked, it's like $15, $16, $17. So under $7 was a really good deal, but I didn't want to order a whole bunch of stuff just to, you know, get a foundation mixer. I don't want a whole lot of extra stuff in my collection. And I'm disappointed that my local Ulta did not have it in stock. Bad Ulta. All right. I have rambled on enough. So 2 rolling out. Very happy about that. Again, those were just for usage. And then I have 3 things that are continuing on. This one's been in since the beginning. You would think this tiny little setting spray that I could get it done. But again, I only use it to foil my eyeshadows. And I don't know if it's multiplying in there or what, because I do use it and there's still some in here, which I find frustrating, but I am determined it is going to be done before the end of the year. I don't use it all over my face because it does nothing for my face. My makeup does not need like a setting spray to like meld the powders together, because my natural oils will do that. And I've tried just about every setting spray out there to have my makeup last longer, and none of them work on my skin. I know a lot of people are going to be like, Urban Decay All-Nighter. It does not work to make my, like, I've tried them all. And none of them, I mean, I've even done the Urban Decay Quick Fix. None of them work for me. I'm sad. All right. So the other one that I have is Pure Lace Blush and Glow BB Cheek Color, and this is in Sweet Rose. My goal was to use this 20 times. I have used it 11 times. I'm enjoying it, but it is not something I can wear every day because it is very pink, like very, very like bright in your face pink. It is nice if I want to do cool colors, but not on the daily. So this is probably going to take another month or 2 to get those last 9 uses. All right, I'm going to put that off to the side since that's continuing on. And then this is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Balm Gloss. A lot of words. I think I only used this a few times. I got that babyest dip in there. I'm trying to hit the pan or the bottom of the jar. It smells so good, like sweet plums. I just did not want to carry this heavy thing on vacation, so a lot of the things that did not go on vacation with me didn't get a lot of use. It is what it is. I'm okay with that. So 3 continuing on, 2 rolling out, and I have to roll in 2 more things. So to replace the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, I'm going to put in this very depotted gel liner from Profusion. Had to think about which palette it was out of. This is a very deep, deep brown, and I just want to hit pan on it. I'm like very visible pan. So I don't think it's going to take long. It's pretty thin. We'll have to see how that goes, but I really don't think that's going to take so long. And then to replace the Catrice foundation, I am working on, or I will be working on, the Pure Lace Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream. And this is just, I don't know if you can even see it. It is a foundation that is not too warm for me, and it's pretty sheer. It might be a little bit lighter than I normally would have this time of year, but that's what bronzer is for, right? I know. That's the hard thing. When you get foundations online or you get foundations in PR, it's tough to find things that actually match your skin tone when you are a true neutral. If they're too cool or too warm, they look funny on me, and I struggle with that. This one's not bad. It's just a little too light, but I can bronze. It's all good. I can make it work for me. So 10 uses on that, and hit pan on the liner here. So that is my update. I am hoping to have some rollouts for you by the next update. I don't know that, I don't know. I'm going to keep working on it. There's less and less in there. I need to foil my eyeshadows more to make that work for me. But, you know, it's not something I do every day. I don't go for that bold, in-your-face look. But who knows? It is possible. Definitely go check out Steph and Delin. They're down below. Again, if there is a playlist of people or whatever, I'm going to have that down below. I just don't remember if there is or not. So if you Google, or not Google, if you do a YouTube search for Partners in Cream, like a bazillion people are going to pop up because a lot of people do this project. It's very, very popular. And if you want to join in, it's not too late. There's plenty of time, if I could speak. It goes until December 10th. So that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.